Welcome to Bike Buzzing, your ultimate destination for everything related to motorcycles. Today we bring you an exclusive deep dive into one of the most anticipated motorcycles of 2026, the Harley-Davidson Captain America Chopper. This legendary chopper is making a comeback with a modern twist, combining the spirit of classic American freedom with cutting-edge technology. Join us as we explore its design, performance, technology, and what makes it stand out in the world of motorcycles. The legacy of Captain America Chopper. The Captain America Chopper is not just a motorcycle, it is a cultural icon. First made famous by the 1969 film Easy Rider, this bike became a symbol of rebellion, freedom, and the open road. The long front forks, raked-out chopper design, and the patriotic red, white, and blue paint job made it one of the most recognizable motorcycles in history. Now, in 2026, Harley-Davidson is reviving this legend with a perfect blend of old-school chopper aesthetics and modern engineering. The new Captain America Chopper aims to capture the spirit of the original while incorporating advanced features for today's riders. Design and aesthetics. 1. Look at the 2026 Harley-Davidson Captain America Chopper, and you can tell it's a tribute to the past. The classic extended front forks, low-slung frame, and teardrop fuel tank maintain the timeless chopper style. However, Harley-Davidson has fine-tuned the details to enhance both form and function. The iconic American flag paint scheme remains, with high-quality hand-painted graphics that pay homage to the original. The chrome-plated V-twin engine, extended ape-hanger handlebars, and the classic sissy bar give it the unmistakable look of a true chopper. New for 2026, Harley-Davidson has introduced LED lighting, a sleeker frame design, and a lightweight yet sturdy aluminum alloy chassis to improve handling and durability. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Captain America Chopper packs a powerful punch. Harley-Davidson has equipped it with a Milwaukee 8 131 V-twin engine, delivering an estimated 130 horsepower and 140 lp-ft of torque. This engine ensures a strong, rumbling performance that every Harley enthusiast craves. Despite being a chopper, the 2026 model features refined fuel injection technology and an improved air cooling system, making it more efficient and reliable on long rides. The 6-speed transmission offers smooth gear shifts, and the belt drive system ensures minimal maintenance while keeping the traditional Harley-Davidson feel intact. Technology and features. Unlike the vintage choppers of the past, the 2026 Harley-Davidson Captain America Chopper is packed with modern technology. Harley has integrated a high-definition digital display, offering real-time navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and a digital speedometer while maintaining a minimalistic look. Additionally, the bike features keyless ignition, a USB charging port, and cruise control for added comfort on long rides. Safety has also been enhanced with ABS, anti-lock braking system, traction control, and adaptive cornering lights to provide better visibility in turns. Another major update is the Smart Ride modes, allowing riders to switch between touring, sport, and custom modes, adjusting throttle response, suspension, and power delivery to match their riding style. Riding experience. Riding the 2026 Captain America Chopper is an experience unlike any other. Thanks to the low-slung seat position and extended front forks, it offers a relaxed, laid-back riding stance perfect for cruising on the highway. The improved suspension system, featuring adjustable rear shocks, ensures a smooth and comfortable ride even on rough terrains. The lightweight frame design improves maneuverability, making it easier to handle compared to traditional heavyweight choppers. Despite its extended rake, the bike feels balanced and stable at both low and high speeds, making it a practical choice for long-distance riders who love the classic chopper aesthetic. Sound and exhaust system. No Harley-Davidson is complete without its signature exhaust note. The 2026 Captain America Chopper features a custom-tuned dual exhaust system that delivers a deep, throaty rumble, reminiscent of the original chopper's sound. Harley-Davidson has also introduced an adjustable exhaust mode, allowing riders to switch between a loud, aggressive sound profile or a quieter mode for urban riding. This new feature ensures that riders can enjoy the signature Harley roar without breaking local noise regulations. Price and availability. The 2026 Harley-Davidson's Captain America Chopper is expected to hit dealerships in mid-2026 with a starting price of around $35,000. With limited production, this model is set to become a collector's item for motorcycle enthusiasts and Harley-Davidson fans alike. For those who want something truly unique, Harley-Davidson will also offer a customization program, allowing buyers to tweak the paint job, seat material, handlebars, and performance upgrades to match their personal style. Final thoughts. The 2026 Harley-Davidson Captain America Chopper is a perfect blend of heritage, performance, and modern technology. It stays true to the spirit of the original while offering improvements that make it more comfortable, efficient, and safer for today's riders. Whether you're a die-hard Harley fan, a collector, or someone looking for a bike with true American legacy, this chopper is sure to impress. That's it for today's video on bike buzzing. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Harley-Davidson Captain America Chopper, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting motorcycle content. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. Ride safe and keep buzzing.